All right, once again, this is Jerry Thompson reporting live for Channel 4 News. So we're here in the backyard of a local resident. If you look behind us, you can really, can we get this? Can we get this scene? The bushes are swaying in the wind. This used to be dry, ladies and gentlemen. This area used to be dry, and now it is very high, full of water. It's probably about waist deep at the highest. If you look around the local neighborhood here, there'll be a lot of screens down. I don't know if we can get this. But if we're going to look over here, we have a white fence that's been absolutely tattered apart. It was a very nice white fence. It is in shambles. But here in Davenport, we will overcome this. We will rebuild. Once again, we do have power here at the Thompson residence. We're doing pretty good. If we look over here, some of our screens have gone, but if that's the worst we're going to get, some might say it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.